Most developers still use HTTP 1.1 every day. Yet modern browsers may negotiate HTTP 2 or HTTP 3 underneath. What new capabilities do those versions add? Start with HTTP 1.1. It sends readable messages over TCP. A request with a method, URL, and headers, followed by a response with a status code and content. Connections can stay open and be reused. But HTTP 1.1 has no true multiplexing. Responses remain ordered, so one slow response can hold up the work behind it. Browsers worked around this with several parallel TCP connections, adding handshakes and overhead. HTTP 2 was designed to solve that concurrency problem. It was not simply renamed SPDY. Google created SPDY experimentally, and the IETF used it as HTTP 2's starting point before changing it substantially. HTTP 2 keeps the same HTTP semantics and TCP transport, but changes the wire format. Messages become binary frames. HPACK compresses repeated headers, and multiple request streams interleave over one connection. A slow server response no longer automatically blocks every request, but the streams still share TCP's ordered byte stream. Lose one packet, and every stream can pause while TCP repairs the gap. That is transport-level head-of-line blocking. HTTP 3 tackles that transport problem. Early drafts called it HTTP 2 over QUIC, then HTTP over QUIC before HTTP 3. In the IETF standard, QUIC is a name, not an acronym. HTTP 3 runs on QUIC over UDP instead of TCP. QUIC integrates TLS 1.3 and provides independent, reliable streams. When one loses data, unrelated streams keep moving. Connection migration can also preserve a session when a phone switches from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Keep HTTP 1.1 for legacy compatibility or infrastructure that cannot negotiate newer versions. Use HTTP 2 as the dependable default for modern APIs and websites with concurrent requests. Enable HTTP 3 where latency, loss, and network changes matter: mobile users, distant regions, and public websites. Keep fallback because some networks restrict UDP. The mental model is simple. HTTP 1.1 reuses TCP connections. HTTP 2 multiplexes over TCP. HTTP 3 moves the streams into QUIC, so loss in one does not freeze the others.